Okay, so another question, how can I insert a part file into a weldment? Well, that's pretty easy too, just like you would do any other part. It's not any different in weldment. So let's do an example of that. Let me do a part file here. Let's see, we'll do a 2, I'll make it a little bit different than that. Let's do, okay, let's do 3 inches by 2.5. And I'm going to extrude this. Now, what the interesting thing, what does this kind of remind you of? This reminds you of a profile for a weldment. So technically speaking, if you have a common foot size that you use, you could turn this into a weldment and put that in your library to use with all the particular properties and things like that. Now, if you already have this done, let's make this a 1/2 inch, pretty heavy duty. Okay, I'm going to save this, and I'm going to save this and put this, there we go, that's fine, as heavy foot. Okay, here, I'll go ahead and save this. Now let me go back to my weldment here. Get rid of that. Right, let me find my original right here. Okay, because what I want to do here is, again, if I put this foot in, I want to mirror this as well. Okay, so I could pull this all the way back here. And now, insert pull down part. Right, and what I'm going to do here is go ahead and find where did I put that? Hey, hang on a second here. Night school, yep. Why am I not seeing? Hang on, I must have went to the wrong insert part. Oh, here, there we go, heavy foot. Okay, so what I want to bring over, because I centered that, I probably want to bring some planes in the solid. That'll allow me, if I need to, okay, to push this into place. But I'm just bringing a part into a part here, so I'll just drop this for the moment. Okay, now what did I do? I forgot when I inserted this foot in order to turn on the move copy body command, basically. Let me do that again. Insert part, heavy foot. This time here, I'm going to locate this part with the move copy feature. Now, notice there's also a break link to original part. So we could literally just have, again, just copies going into this. All right, so now, here we go. So now we're going to see, all right, let's do a coincident here of this face and this. Okay, I'll do a here to here, a distance here of 1/2 inch. Okay, and then here to here, distance of 1/4, and flip that and add, and okay. All right, so again, putting a part in a part file there. So now, once again, I just add it to my mirror. All right, so I'll come down here. Now, when you, again, when you inserted that foot in there, okay, we see our cut list here. Again, if we had properties there, let me go ahead and update. And there's our foot. If I go to the properties here, once again, in this case, we did an insert part into part. We would need to put these properties in there. But that's if I already have something already done. What would be, again, really handy is I take one of those weldments. Okay, say, for instance, here I did a 3D sketch. Okay, and I'll just do one here. 0.5. Okay, and with that sketch then, I could come in and find, and I'll do lumber just because it's solid. This could be metal foot or however you describe it. Okay, I could come in here, structural member here. Okay, based on that, I'll just go to the smallest size that I got, actually 2 by 3. Okay, I could locate that profile. Oop, I keep spinning the wrong one. There we go. Locate it, put it over here in this corner. Again, not quite big enough, so no, none of them are. Okay, in this case, but again, there, locating that into place. And the advantage of having something like this, instead of that insert part file, is again, and this is plating, things like this. That could be a custom welded blob that you're sticking in here that you want to put in this weldment to be included in this bill of material. So this works great for, like, again, flat sheet stock, things like that.